Thi ngintshela ukuthi ngikhethe bani. Yadlala bengifuna ukunitshela nje ukuthi Mageza wants a wife has matched now. Ngizonibonisa very soon. Maduzu so.
Sanibonani guys, umamkhulu lo ngiyenzela kusesekseni ne. Ngiyazi ukuthi kade lokhu nibuza ukuthi umamkhulu buya nini kumzansi. Umamkhulu uzobe khona ke mase kuphela inyanga ngereunion. Uzobe khona umamkhulu lapho ubeyikhala khona. Yo.
Hello, Msajito Kasubgal. On Mageza is looking for a wife show. There is Palesa and Lerato left as the contestants. So Palesa made a video and, the public had questions. So she answered some of the questions indirectly and this is what she had to say. So is the show over? Kinda like. Wait for the reunion. So he didn't choose anyone and then Palesa Aries. So for me, this show is more like Pastor Wants a Wife, Mageza Wants a Wife. If you can remember, Pastor Wants a Wife, season 1, it was Tiro. He also didn't choose any of the ladies. And then who did Mageza choose? Palesa Are not yet. So I guess maybe Mageza Utlo choose a go reunion. He's going to make that final decision because he couldn't make it. He couldn't make the decision on the 10th or the 11th episode. Lerato also did a video and then she captioned, after he gave him Ikeke. And then she did, and then she posted this song. And you can remember on, I think it's the 10th episode, Lerato revealed to Flora le Palesa, Ariana, she had Tlof le Mageza 3 times, as well as Flora. So someone also said that she watched his live, Mageza's live yesterday. He said something happened behind the scenes before his date with Flora. It was between him and Flora, so he was pissed at her. Because we were wondering, why would Mageza go after Palesa? And then when he met up with Flora, when Flora was packing her bags to go home, he was cold towards Flora. And I thought it was because of, they're not fond of each other. Only to discover that Flora mufile kekeliena.